Hey guys, showing you this Leffora custom 1.5 millimeter thick crystal clear table cover protector. So this comes in a different pack. You can choose the size, and this one is simple packing, and you can see the thickness here and the high quality design. So this is all transparent. So you have to rotate or make it take it some time so that it can take up its you know small one. And I just put it on my table, and you can see that I actually gave the custom size, so they just get it this size particular one. And yeah, so it's pretty straightforward, and you can see like it's very crystal clear, very clear, and works well. You can also put something below your table to have the design, or on the top, or you can just put any table cover, and on the table cover you can have this cover. So it's a very nice protective cover.